Today in Washtenaw County, the court calls the case of the People versus Donovan Smith. The defendant, Mr. Smith, is represented by his attorney Lauren Perry, while the prosecution is led by the assistant prosecuting attorney. Tensions rise as bond and legal requests are discussed, setting the stage for a courtroom showdown.
Court calls the case People versus Donovan Smith.
Mr. Smith requests a bond reduction, highlighting his responsibilities as a caregiver for his grandmother and his plans to attend school. His attorney emphasizes that he has no reason to remain in the county and is willing to comply with all court conditions, including wearing a tether if necessary.
Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, state your name for the record, please.
Donovan Smith.
Your Honor, I have two requests. I know.
I'm only giving you one.
The first is easy.
Okay, I'll take that one.
We're asking for an adjournment of the PCC. I believe we received the media discovery this morning. Additionally, there's forensics from the state lab that we're waiting on. Who knows how long that's going to take.
Right.
The second is bond. Mr. Smith would like me to address bond.
The prosecution strongly objects, pointing to Mr. Smith's past felony charges, including carrying a concealed weapon and unlawful driving away. They also cite the current case where Mr. Smith allegedly discharged a firearm at a building, with numerous shell casings recovered from the scene.
Yes. Is he held on anything else, or is this?
This is it.
Okay, go ahead.
So Mr. Smith has I believe his bond is currently set at $50,000. He is asking for a reduction, either a personal bond or at least a 10%. He would go home to his mother's home in Detroit. He has no reason for being in Washtenaw County, so he's happy to stay out of the county. He's happy to wear a tether if the court would like to order one. He is not working right now, but he is a caregiver for his grandmother who was ill. She recently had heart surgery, so he does things around the house for her, helps care for her many medical issues. He is planning on going to school in December as well.
Evidence collection is ongoing, including DNA testing on the shell casings to strengthen the case. The prosecution stresses that Mr. Smith had to be chased by law enforcement, and even a Canine unit was involved, highlighting the severity of the incident.
So given all of that, we are asking the court to consider a personal bond or a reduction.
Response.
Your Honor, the people would object. Mr. Smith, currently, according to Lean, has a felony carrying concealed weapon charge that was bound over in 3rd Circuit Court. He also has a felony unlawful driving away that was bound over in 6th Circuit Court. And then here in Washtenaw County, he is alleged to have fired a gun at a building. There are numerous shell casings that were recovered from the scene. He ran from the scene. He had to be chased down. There was I believe that a Canine unit was called and had to find him. And we are waiting for DNA on these shell casings to strengthen this case. So the people would object to a bond reduction and believe it was set appropriately.
So he was on a...
Despite his attorney's arguments about Mr. Smith's compliance with probation, the prosecution points out that he is under sentence for a previous weapons charge and facing pending sentencing in Oakland County. This shows a pattern of legal issues, complicating his request for bond reduction.
He was on bond or some other type of court proceeding regarding a weapons charge, and then this comes up where it involves the firing of a weapon.
I can't confirm that he was on bond, Your Honor. My record only indicates that that matter was bound over in October of 2024. I don't have a resolution of it in 3rd Circuit.
Got it.
I don't know if this helps, but he's on HIDA for the in Wayne County for the weapons charge.
So he's up, but he's okay.
He's
under sentence on a weapons charge, and then picks up a case that involves discharge of a weapon at a building. Anything else?
He says he's been compliant with his probation there.
Except maybe the picking up of another charge,
And
particularly a weapons charge.
we do dispute these allegations.
I understand you do.
And he is set for sentencing in Oakland County on that other case on the 6th.
So he's under sentence, or he's about to be sentenced on something else.
Ultimately, the court carefully considers both sides. While Mr. Smith's personal circumstances are sympathetic, the combination of prior charges, current allegations, and ongoing investigations leads the judge to deny the motion for bond reduction, emphasizing public safety and legal accountability.
Maybe we can go there too.
And this offense happened.
Drop down to a misdemeanor because it was attempted.
He says it's going to be a height of misdemeanor resolution there.
Okay. So actually, Ms. Perrine, we're wrong about something. Both of your requests are very easy. Motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The motion for bond reduction is denied, and Mr. Smith's bond remains unchanged. This case underscores the complexity of balancing a defendant's personal circumstances with public safety concerns. The court moves forward, awaiting further proceedings and resolution of the charges.